Hey guys, Tony here. So I did want to update you guys on the current plays that I have for the breakout strategy. Breakout 1 is BTU, currently down about $17 or 4 or 5%. And after, it did have like a nice little run today. I think I am also in, so TMO I actually just bought today. TMO, I'm actually only playing one contract for 580 on TMO. Also, I think we are in ETN. So Eaton, we're down about 15% still, but we still have like another month or so to go, so I'm not too worried. We are also in Crowd. For Crowd, we are looking right now at a 40% loss on Crowd. We're at 331 loss. Hopefully for this one, we do recover. I'm hoping, I'm gonna look at the chart again, but I don't think I'm gonna sell out of these yet. I mean, they don't expire for like another month or so, so I'm not too worried about Crowd yet. When it comes to maybe a week prior of expiration, that's when I'll start worrying about these holdings. I'm also in, I think, a debit spread for Shopify. Yeah, so I am in 2 debit spreads actually, and I'm down overall about 37% for Shopify. I'm in 1, I think, debit spread for Square. Yeah, 1 debit spread for Square, currently down about 20%. So the only one we're actually making money on is BTU. Well, not making money on, just losing the least. I think BTU was only at like a 4%, 5% loss. Every single one we're basically losing right now for the breakout strategy, but we still have like a month time. So I'm not gonna be worried until we have maybe like a week expiration for all of them. When that actually happens, then I will be worried. The ones that I actually bought today for the new breakout of this week are Wingstop, which we are at a 7-8% loss. And I'm playing this until September and 3 $200 calls. Also for, and like I said earlier right now in the video, TMO. I'm actually going to be playing TMO to the upside. I bought a call for 580 and it expires on September 17th. So the additions to the breakout are going to be TMO and Wing. Everything else I'm basically just kind of just keeping an eye on. Just doing maintenance on it to make sure that we don't lose too much, but we still have about a month time left, so I'm not too worried about it yet. If it comes down to having like another month, another week or a week and a half of expiration and it's still not making money, then I might start closing positions at a loss. But until then, I'm not really going to be worried about any of the options until they're getting closer to expiration. So I'll see you guys later.